Banyak.
Likewise, we would like to express our deepest thanks to Madame Arlene Marcos Cruz, Jaldo Dan, Cagayan University, Philippines. Now we have candidate number 2. Candidate number 2 is from Barangay Mambangan. Her name is Rhea Rose Paras. According to her, don't judge the book by its cover. And her dream in life is to become a successful flight attendant someday. And she is currently enrolled at Mebisiha Colleges. Ladies and gentlemen, that's candidate number 2, Rhea Rose Paras. Mr. and Mrs. Remigio Fajardo. And she believes that nothing is impossible. And aspiring to become a registered nurse someday. And likewise, rendering her service for a couple of years in the Philippines and afterwards working abroad. She is currently enrolled at Dr. Gloria D. Lawson Foundation Colleges in San Leonardo, Nueva Ecija. That's candidate number 3 from Barangay Bonifacio, Asmin Fajardo. She is aspiring to become a successful in her chosen career and to help her family in the near future. Currently enrolled at the College of Immaculate Conception. And according to her, goodness is a special kind of truth and beauty. That's candidate number 4, Michael Interior of Barangay Mallorca. Next is candidate number 5 from Barangay Bonifacio, Maria Jarlene P. Domingo of Evelyn Domingo and Jamides Domingo. And she's aspiring to finish her study and to help her parents. And she's currently enrolled at Mebisiha University of Science and Technology in Cabanatuan City. Next in line is candidate number 6 from Barangay San Bartolome.
All my life, now and forever till the day I die, you and us here. All the things these changing boys can offer, so I sing. I'll be happy just to stay this way, spend this day with you.